Oh man, that's better. That's so good. That's nice. G'day. So here's a follow-up video on the chicken ribs that I done a while back, a couple of weeks ago. They didn't work out too good. They were all right, but they were just too floury. There wasn't enough oil, and I think they were better off being deep fried the way I done them back then. So now I'm going to try and do them again, but without the flour. So we're going to go salt, plenty of salt. They're called salt and pepper chicken ribs. Looks like a lot, but I don't know. We'll see. Pepper. And we're going to put the chili flakes on it. And also, I'm going to put the chili olive oil, chili infused. Put that on. That should be enough. Get the hands in there. Give them a good mix around. Coat it all. So I've already preheated the air fryer. I'll put it on 200 for about 5 minutes. So we'll put them straight in. Hopefully these turn out better than that disaster. All right. We'll go, well, I don't know. We'll go 195 for 10 minutes. Then we might have to turn them over and put them in for a little bit longer. See, the last ones, they were just dry as. They were just terrible. So we won't cook these as long. We'll see what happens. All right, let's check them out. Well, they look better than the other ones. I think we'll just turn them over. And I reckon just go 5 minutes. They're looking better. Look nice. Yeah. It's starting to look all right. I reckon another 5 minutes. I think. We'll go 5 minutes. 195 again. 5 minutes. We'll see what happens. Righto, let's have a look. Oh, that's better. Look. You smell it? Smells better. They look better. They're done. I'm not cooking them anymore. Yeah, they look better. You can even smell them this time. Right, let's have a try. Taste test. Oh man, that's better. That's so good. That's nice. Don't worry about putting flour and all that on it. Just go without it. That's so good. That's heaps better. I'll see you on the next one.